Do you want to trade on the Forex market with robots? Perfect! This course will teach you how to improve your trading with robots and spend very little time in front of your computer. We will show you how to start from scratch and how to trade with confidence using professional tools. My name is Petko Alexandrov, and with my co-instructor Ilan Vardi, we have created a complete beginner course that will teach you all you need to start trading.
In this course, we will show you how to carefully select your broker, important considerations before opening an account, and how to trade in a virtual environment so you don't risk any money. Over the years, we have created thousands of robots, and we have found the best and easiest ways of doing it. And in this course, we will share all of that with you.
We will show you all the steps we take from selecting a broker, installing the platform we will use, to deciding which robots we will place on a live account. In addition, we have decided to include 40 EAs in this course, which you can download and test. Best of all, we will update the course with 40 new EAs every month so that the course will be your source of EAs for a lifetime.
We have designed this course to be suitable for everyone, whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader, whether you work from home or you have a full-time job. Trading with EAs will allow you to spend no more than 15 to 30 minutes a week simply managing your expert advisors. We will show you how to test the 40 expert advisors attached to this course in a virtual environment to see which ones are performing best in current market conditions. Then we will show you how to select the best performing expert advisors and place them onto a live account.
We will show you the great software that you can use to analyze and build robots by yourself, even you don't have any trading or programming experience. And we will teach you how to create your own expert advisors if you wish to. However, our job is to regularly improve the robots that we trade with, ensuring every month they get better and better. And these robots will be available to you, our students.
Don't worry if you're a beginner. I was a beginner too, but trading with expert advisors has allowed me to start trading in a live environment much quicker. We will show you everything step by step: how to select your broker, how to open a demo account, how to use the historical data from your broker to create expert advisors, and then how to take those expert advisors and place them into a demo account to start testing them. We'll show you how to then select the best performing ones that you can use to trade on a live account. Remember, trading on a demo account is free and there is no risk to you whatsoever. So test your expert advisors for as long as you want until you are comfortable before starting to trade live.
Additionally, we will include many resource files in the course, which will help you learn the whole process faster, and you will see how easy it is to trade with robots. So irrespective of the type of equipment you have, from entry level to professional, we will teach you how to make the most out of trading with robots using even just a single computer or a laptop from home.
When you enroll in this course, you get instant access to easy-to-watch videos, downloadable resources, practical activities, and most importantly, premium support from us.
So if you want to improve your current trading, or you're just starting out and you want to earn additional income from trading on the Forex market with robots, we genuinely believe this is the right course for you. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee for the course, so there is no reason to hesitate. Just click on the enroll button and we will see you in the course.